Planning a cross-country move can be exciting, but it can also get expensive fast. The good news is, with a little strategy, you can cut costs without cutting corners. Here are some smart ways to save money when moving long distance. First, start planning early. Booking your movers in advance can help you lock in lower rates, especially if you avoid peak moving seasons like summer or weekends. Flexibility with your moving dates often means better deals. Next, lighten your load. The fewer items you move, the less you'll pay. Go through your home and sell, donate, or toss anything you don't need. Not only will you save on moving costs, but you might even make a little extra cash by selling online. If you're comfortable doing some work yourself, consider packing your own boxes. Buy supplies in bulk or get free boxes from local stores. Just be sure to label everything clearly so unpacking is easier later. Another way to save is by comparing different moving options. Full-service movers are convenient, but if you're on a tight budget, you could use a portable moving container or rent a truck and drive yourself. MoversCom can help you compare quotes and find the best fit for your needs and budget. Finally, don't forget to track your expenses. Some moving costs might be tax-deductible, especially for work-related relocations. A cross-country move doesn't have to break the bank, it just takes planning and smart choices. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.